Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to fix taskbar is not hiding in a full screen mode. When I play game or just watching YouTube video in a full screen mode, my taskbar is appear on my screen. That is our problem, and I fix this problem by the simplest way. First of all, I just minimize it, okay? And I just go to my taskbar, right click on my taskbar on the blank space, okay? And here we find task manager, just click on the task manager, okay? If it's something like this, then just go to the more details, okay? And here we find processes, just go to the processes, and here just find Windows Explorer, just find Windows Explorer, okay? Here is the Windows Explorer. It is something like a folder icon. Right click on Windows Explorer and just go to the restart, and it's restart your all services and just close it. Now our taskbar is also restart, okay? Now just go to your Google Chrome or the YouTube videos or the game and just play it in the full screen mode. I just go to here and full screen mode, and your taskbar is not appear on your screen. So guys, this is the simplest way to fix this simple problem in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.